Did you hear the sound? And the situation. After walking and walking, finally I came and rest there in one of the tent house, which is made temporarily for resting, because it is little up, because it is mangrove, and the houses are fully covered now, nothing left. I'm afraid whether I will be fall down or what. I will fall down in this place or what, I don't know. Whether there is ditch and holes or what, I don't know exactly, but I will try to show you more video. I will go a little farther ahead again. Look how dangerous it is. Everywhere. Can't complete by walking. So dangerous views. Flood in Assam. All the domestic animals have been swept away. Now no more anything to eat, no more to cook rice, everything has gone. Covered with water, full. Here you can see the views. It is like one of the ocean type. Almost to reach everything covered, full of water, covered, flooded everywhere. Since the Bhutan had opened up their dams and every switch, now full flooded in our lower area of Assam. Main high road ane flood जाबाय नै. बेफोरबायदि गिथावथाव सिनारिखौ नुयोब्ला थानो हाया, गोसोआ मानिया, नायनो लुबैयो. लोगोफोर बारबाय आं, नै लंपेन्टाबो सिजोबबाय, नै सिन्देलाबो. So much flood happening in our Assam. I came today personally to show you the views and very dangerous situation. Look how it is bubbling, jumping. Look, that is also covered with water everywhere. Very sad. Very dangerous, very dangerous. Everywhere flat now. Now I will go to relief camp to show you more views. That was community hall. They are now taking shelter under this house. This is still, then it is been full of water now, almost to be swept away by the rain and by the water. Sorry, by the rain. This is APSU office, and this is the bazaar of Nehru Bazaar. Showing you more views. Little close-up shot of water. Look how the water flows everywhere. No more words to express and say. Now I'm finding which area is more flooded. You please continue, stay watching till the end of my video, and then you will understand how it affected our various. This is Nehru Bazaars, Athos, Samtaibaroi, the village name, so-called. Look how the dangerous situation it has created the waters in our areas. Full covered everywhere. So much dangerous. Now cow grazing in the grasses. Because no more to go in the fat field to eat in the fields. Only in the road they had a chance to eat now for their stomach and the gut and the cow, everything. This is little downward position because of this road. He did not enter this, I think. Look, friends. It's like one of the oceans, Pacific Ocean. So large, filled with waters, full and filled with waters. Look the views of the flood that occurring in our areas. Very dangerous in sustaining and living. Friends, so dangerous now. The jute is been all covered now with water. No more jute left. They had planted jute, but no more jute. Now I'll go a little ahead. I'm tired now. After walking, crossing the river, crossing the island, crossing the ocean, I'm tired now. My leg could not drag me now because I have no more energy left to walk. All my long pants got wet. You can watch, my friends. I can to see this flooded everywhere. They can't stay, they can eat. So much sad to see such a horrible flooded happening. Thank you, please share the video so that our leaders and the government man can help the poor people. Look how the dangerous. Look, this is the northern place that is called Bhutan Hill, and from all the way it came to our lower parts. From this uphill, it had flown towards this, and it had affected this. Look, friends, look. What a dangerous. I am very much scared after seeing, and I am very afraid to stay in such kind of middle of the ocean. It is like Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean of the world. Thank you so much, friends. I hope you will share the video and you will like the video after watching. It is so dangerous. In morning it was plenty, now it is dried up little because it's now very daytime, sunny weather. That's why. Thank you so much. Hope you will share my video and like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. ओमफ्राय आदैनि न'आ बबेमोन? ओमफ्राय मा गोजाव लांखो? आयो माइफ्राबो सोमब्रजोबबाय। हे दुब्लिया बोरैमोनथाय? ओरैमोन ने? बै गामिया दल' गामि ने? ओमफ्राय ओरै लादांगुरि खुंख्राजरा। होमब्लाथ' खस्थ'आवनो थानांथ'सिगोन। माथो उफायबावनि? खम जारला जाबाय जानो संनो खावनो। जानायफ्रासो जारला जानोसै। जानायानो सिगांसै। औ बेनो देरसिनखा। जेन जेन माखासे बुस्थुखौ जाखांनांगौ थांबाय। औ बुथुमनांगौ बुथुमबाय। औ आरो नै दा जानाय मोनायाव। औ गिनोबो ओंखारो बाराफोर जायोलाथ'
अखा हायोबाथ' फैबावखागोन
औ
देरबावखागोन
अखाया हाथ'वाला मोजां जागौमोन
हाथ'वाबाथ' रानबायमोनानो
औ होमब्ला दै थाथ'दो दे औ Now I'm going back towards sorry almost to be swept away by the water my slipper look how dangerous is this how dangerous माइ थाङो नानि माइ थाङो न'आवहाय दसे मेंनानै रेस्ट लाबाय little taking rest after walking so much distance there the people used to take shelter this is called sangra in Bodo resting there from water safety otherwise water will sweep away all the people that's why we should stay in upper areas hill areas thank you welcome to my channel brother after coming to this flooded area in Samtaibari how you felt you please tell me
बेवहाय माने फैनानै जोबोद गोसोखौहाय दुखु मोनफैनाय मोनदों ओमफ्राय नैबे मा होनो बिजनि जोंनि बे चिरां डिस्ट्रिक्ट सबायझार नैबे लांदांफारा गामियाव फैनानैहाय आङो बिराद गोसोखौहाय निरासा मोनफैनाय जादों बेफोरबायदि दैनि सायावसो न' ओमफ्राय माने संनो जानो थाखाय ओरैबायदि दुखु खस्थ' लानानै नैबे लामाफ्रावहाय थादों दा बे लामायाव थानायावबो ओरैबायदि मोनसे गोजोन गैयि अबस्थाखौ आङो नुनो मोनदों दा दैनि सायाव लामायाव थादोंब्लाबो माने दैनि सायाव थादों बायदि आङो मोननानै दङ आरोखि माने ओरैबायदि आङो साहा थांनानै नायबाय माने ओरैबायदि नोरोखौ आङो होनसिगोन माने नोरोक बायदि माने दैनि बाना ओरैबायदि दैनि सायाव संनाय जानाय थानाय उन्दुनाय गैयि बेफोरबायदि खामिनानै दुखु खस्थ' लानानै थानायखौ आङो बे लांदांफारा गामिनि जे रायजो राजाफोरनि सायाव ओरैबायदि मेगनाव मोदै गनायखौ आङो नुफैनो मोनदों
Thank you so much, brother, for explaining your sorrow and sadness.
Okay.